So we'll conduct the sentencing in State of Maine versus Clarence Cote, CR 12-3407. Is both sides ready for this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
She was in a position of trust with the victim. Her father had left the family some years previously. So he was, in many respects, a surrogate father, at least initially, and then at some point that summer she's informed that he may in fact be her real father. So there's a substantial breach of trust in that relationship involved here.
The defense really is put in a difficult position of recommending a sentence based on the facts that the jury has found, but with which it obviously disagrees. And as far as anybody can tell, he's lived the bulk of his adult life crime-free, living quietly out of state these last 20-something years.
I am finding that the appropriate sentence is 5 years that the defendant shall serve in the Department of Corrections. So I'm imposing a sentence of 10 years to the Department of Corrections. All suspended with 5 years of that sentence. And I'm placing the defendant on 6 years, probation for 6 years, which I'm going to confirm as soon as we leave the courtroom. He's not to be in any place where children congregate, such as but limited to playgrounds, schools, fairs, arcades, and parks. He's not to engage in any business, organization, or service that provides services directly to minors under the age of 18. He's to enter, participate in, and complete to the satisfaction of the probation officer a sex offender treatment program, and have a psychological evaluation and treatment as needed.
The judge recognized the factors we pressed in terms of sentencing, the fact that this did have a significant impact upon the victim, and the fact that Mr. Cote didn't accept responsibility for his actions, and he imposed something along the lines of that we were recommending. The importance is we give that victim closure, to the extent we can. She'll never get over this, but she now has had the opportunity to face him and to hold him responsible for the actions that he committed against her.
With all due respect to the court, we're not happy with the conviction at all. We're filing appeal paperwork later on today. Mr. Cote is obviously deeply disappointed. This was a hard-fought trial. There are a number of serious issues. We're extremely troubled by the fact that the state lost a key piece of evidence and that Mr. Cote was convicted nonetheless.